Hey everybody, welcome to Woods and Wrenches. I'm Sean, and I'm going to be here today with my oldest, Haley, and we got some work to do today in the shop. So, what are we doing today, lady?
We're replacing the lower control arm because earlier when I was riding, I lost the cassonette on the lower ball joint.
Alright, sounds like a good plan. Gotta lift it up and put the jacks down underneath it. Grab the jacks down. Right underneath the center. No, up front here. Right here. Okay. Keep it down. You gotta put it all. Now slide it over. There you go. So what do we got to take off first? What's that? The shock?
The shock.
Okay. It's already going the right way. Change it. Oh no, they were backwards. Get it on the whole way. No, hold on. Put it on so it's flush. Okay. Push down. Push towards me. I'm gonna get them broke free for you. Okay. So what are we taking off first? And that is? Shock.
Shock.
Okay. You want it over on this side because you're going to hit the arm. So which direction are you turning it?
This way?
Which way?
This way?
Yep. Go ahead. Push. Put your weight into it. There you go. Keep going. Where should your other hand be? Oh, it should be supporting this, so pushing into it to keep it from moving. There you go.
So you just have to put these together?
Yeah. Okay, so if this is the lower control arm, and this is the frame, what would that bolt be? The lower control arm to frame bolt. Okay, that's all it is. Alright, let's do the back one first. Okay. Take it off there. You gotta use your other hand, baby. They twist in opposite directions. No, other way. Other way. Just hold the back one and twist the front. There you go. Okay, go ahead and pull that one out. That's good. Just put it over here. Pull that one out.
This?
Yep. Just come out. There you go. Wiggle the other one out. Good job. All right, let's compare that one to the new one. So go ahead and put that one right there.
Then put this in here.
Yeah. Okay, so do they look the same? So those look the same distance apart. That looks like it's in the same position. Looks like it's in the same position. So yeah, this one looks like it's gonna be good.
It's just cleaner.
It's just cleaner. Yep. And the new one?
Yeah, okay.
That look lined up to you? The back one look lined up? Go ahead and take this apart. I'm gonna do the back one first. All the way. Go. There you go. Alright. Okay, now grab the front one. We're not going to tighten anything up until we get them all in. Okay, grab the front one. Is the front one lined up? Okay, put the one on the back. Which way's it gotta turn? Good job. Okay. Perfect. Good job. Okay, so we're gonna get them to where they're snug, but we're not going to tighten them down all the way until we get the castle nut and we can put weight on it, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So what do you gotta do to your wrench first, or your ratchet first? Which direction is it going right now? Is it tightening or loosening?
Loosening.
Okay, so what do you gotta do to it? Okay. Wanna do that one first?
Mhm.
Push that hard. Just trying to make sure it doesn't wobble off.
So we couldn't find the right castle nut, so we're gonna use this one. But when we get the right one, we're gonna swap them out.
Good job.
So we fixed the lower control arm. I'm gonna go ride my quad in the snow. Thank you for watching and have a good day.